Hi, I'm David Bonasera again for ESP Sales in San Jose, California. I want to talk to you about MB Stone Care. We're now carrying it. And one of the things that they have, which is unique like all the products that they have, is their neutral cleaners. Their MB1 is a great cleaner, but it can be used more than just for stone and tile. Again, it's a neutral cleaner, concentrated, very nice to use. The MB5 is for natural stone and tile. Again, it's a standard in the industry that everybody uses. And Easy Oxy. This product is really cool because it acts like a degreaser, really cleans down and deep, but yet it's neutral enough and safe on even your polished marbles. It's a great line of products, folks, from MB Stone Care.